If you prepare your theory and practicals thoroughly, you will get good grades in your exams. Ajay, you show me. Karan, what about
Yes,
you?
ma'am.
Varun, you show me. You show me. Show me yours. Very good. Today's class is over.
Okay,
we will
madam.
meet tomorrow.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, madam.
And complete your homework.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ajay, you wait.
Huh?
Thank you, ma'am.
Hey, you're looking beautiful today. Hmm.
Stop bluffing. Leave it.
Hmm. 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 Tell me.
Please wait. My mobile is ringing.
Huh? What is this?
What is this vibration?
Yes, it's my phone. My brother is calling. Hello.
Hello? Janvi? Come back home soon, please.
What happened? You sound tensed.
I'll tell you everything, but first come back home.
Okay, I'm heading right away.
What happened, Janvi?
I have to go back home now.
Is there any problem? Should I come?
No, you can rest. I'll come back.
Take care. Bye.
And who are you?
I am his younger sister, Janvi.
Where were you now?
I was at my friend's house.
Sergeant, call the ambulance and send the body for post-mortem and get the last 3 months call details of everyone.
Thank you.
Show me. Is this the way to solve it? What is this? You don't know anything. Look here. I will give you a call. Then you can come. I'll show you new formula. Now you can leave. Now I have to get ready and do my makeup.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, coming. Greetings, sister-in-law. Hi. How are you? I'm good.
Janvi, you're back. I'll go and freshen up.
Okay. And say. What do I say? You say. Sister-in-law. Yes, I'll be leaving soon from here. Yes. Sister-in-law, I'm going up to get fresh. Janvi. And then I'll leave. At least you can have your lunch. I'll eat something from outside.
Kavita?
Yeah, coming.
Kavita!
Yes, coming. Already came. Why are you shouting so much?
Whose belt is this?
Uh,
Who came in a house behind my back? Huh?
Really? Now you're doubting on me. I never expected this from you. That you could ever doubt me.
Then whose belt is this? Tell me!
I was taking out old clothes from the closet to throw them away. And it was in it. I just forgot to throw it away.
I'm sorry, Kavita. I'm sorry that I doubted you.
Listen, dear.
When a girl becomes sad, she becomes more than beautiful than what she was before. Where have you brought me and whose house is this?
Are you really crazy? Why would I take you anywhere else? This is my house.
Huh?
Wait, I'll call my sister-in-law. Sister-in-law, come here. Sister-in-law! Sister-in-law! Coming!
Huh?
Sister-in-law, he's my best friend Varun. And Varun, this is my sister-in-law.
Yeah, hi.
Greetings. Come inside. I'll make breakfast for you. Let's go.
Hi, Janvi.
Hi, brother.
I'm going to Indore for 2 days, so I'll meet you after I come back.
Okay, brother.
Who is he?
Brother, this is my friend Varun.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, and how
I'm
are
fine.
you?
Aruna? Aruna, I need you to do a favor for me. Yes.
Okay, Janvi, I'll leave.
Okay,
When I
brother.
come back after 2 days, we'll talk.
Okay.
Kavita,
Yes, coming.
see you.
Okay, alright. Can you do me a favor? Actually, I've left something in Sharma auntie's house. Can you go and get it for me? Okay, sister-in-law.
Hey, listen. Even I'll leave. I've got some work.
No, just wait for a while.
Hey, listen. I'll go.
Hey, wait, I insist. Janvi will be back in 2 minutes. I'll be back before you know it. Yes. Now come. Sister-in-law, I'll come back. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Varun, have I done anything wrong? Why do you always stay away from me? Is there anything wrong with my figure? Yeah? Why? Why are you ignoring me? You don't have to ignore me, please.
Listen, madam. I love Janvi a lot. And I cannot cheat her anymore.
Ah.
It's better that you forget everything that happened between us. Please.
Okay.
What happened? What happened?
I was feeling alone. Even I was missing sister-in-law.
That's why you called me now. Sit. Where is your brother?
Brother is inside. He's doing some office work.
Listen. Be relaxed.
Oh, Mr. Varun, you're here.
Huh?
You are under arrest.
What?
What?
But what did I do?
You have murdered Mrs. Kavita.
No, I haven't killed her.
Listen, officer. I think you have been mistaken.
We have all the evidences. Varun was in a secret relation with Mrs. Kavita. He had an affair. And Varun wanted to get over with the affair. But Mrs. Kavita was blackmailing him with the help of a MMS. And she did not let this relation end. And then that day, Varun and Kavita had a fight. Varun murdered Kavita. Besides the dead body, we have found Varun's goggles and purse. And the MMS from the mobile. Pandey, take him along.
No.
Wait, officer. Varun never killed sister-in-law. I killed sister-in-law.
What?
What?
Yes. That day when I came back home. Varun, have you gone mad? I'll tell everything to your family and Janvi as well. And I will never spare
Do
you.
whatever you want to.
Varun! sister-in-law. You have no shame at all, isn't it?
Janvi, you don't know Varun at all.
Okay.
He was forcefully trying to do something with me. And he is not at all a good person. You can't even count in how many relationships he has been.
Okay. The way he's with you.
Janvi, how could you even hit your sister-in-law?
Not my sister-in-law. To a characterless woman who is a shame in the name of a tutor. Get that?
Janvi!
Keep your mouth shut. He's only mine. Do you understand?
Sister-in-law!
Pandey, take her also along.
Wait a minute, Inspector. My wife Kavita was not murdered by them. I murdered her myself.
What are you saying?
That day when I went out, I forgot an important file at home. Kavita,
Rajesh, your sister Janvi wanted to kill me. Please help me.
Mr. Rajesh, you also have to come along with us. Pandey, take all three of them with us. Let's go.